Alright, y'all, so just in case anybody is still skeptical about if winter sowing the simplified method works or not, I couldn't tell you better than I could show you right now. Look at this. This is full, right? Wasn't all taped off or anything like that. Just a simplified method that I used. And this right here is a German chamomile. So I will bring y'all along when I have to show you how I'm going to do this, because I'm not about to prick these out individually. I'm going to do them in sections and I'll bring y'all along. But this is just an update on it. It works, y'all. And I mean, everything else is coming through too. So you'd seen what I've already potted up, but I just want to show you that this one particular, how crazy that is, and it works. Here are the collards. But this was never inside. It's been outside the whole time. Winter, rain, snow, sleet, hell, all that. So, like I always say, I got love for those that got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. And I'm out. Peace.